Namaste everyone. Last video I explained about the summary of the adipocyte functions, and in this video I am going to deep discussing about the human adipose tissue function on lipogenesis, also known as the energy storage. Adipose tissue or body fat connective tissue consisting mainly fat cells specialized to synthesize and contain large globules of fat within the structural of fibers. It is involved in the energy storage. This is also called as the lipogenesis. Certainly, let's break down into the lipogenesis process into step-by-step stages, highlighting the key molecular conversations facilitated by the enzymes in the adipose tissue. Let's see the insulin role and liver contribution in the lipogenesis. Insulin, a hormone from the pancreas, acts as a regulatory maestro in lipogenesis. It triggers the activation of the crucial enzyme Acetyl-CoA Carboxylase and Fatty Acid Synthase, and initiating the sequence of the events leading to the conversion of the glucose into fatty acids. Simultaneously, the liver through the enzyme of glycerol kinase and plays a central role in the generating the glycerol. This glycerol is a vital precursor, serves as a foundation of synthesis of glycerol 3-phosphate, a pivotal intermediate in the pathways towards the triglyceride formation. Together, this insulin and liver choreograph a harmonious interplay of the molecule events in the intricate process of the lipogenesis. In the adipose tissue, the enzyme glycerol kinase is absent, so it is not able to transfer or change the glycerol into the glycerol 3-phosphate. But in adipose tissue, the transformation of the dihydroxyl acetone phosphate into the 3-glycerol phosphate. This is the fundamental step for the lipogenesis in adipocytes. The transformation of the dihydroxyacetone phosphate into the glycerol 3-phosphate. This process is catalyzed by the glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase in the presence of the NAD accumulates into the formation of the NADH plus H plus. This conversion sets a stage for the subsequent steps for the lipogenesis. Glycerol 3-phosphate acetyltransferase step on to the scene and converting the fatty Acetyl-CoA into the CoA. This conversion leads to the formation of 1-acyl-3-phosphate, marking the initiation of the acylation process within the glycerol backbone. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate, a crucial player, not only product of the glycerol 3-phosphate, but also it forms through the alternative mechanism. In the presence of the acetyltransferase, 1-acyl DHAP is produced, and through the action of the reductase, it transforms into the 1-acyl-3-phosphate. This dual mechanism of the DHAP built on the lipogenic pathway. Acetyltransferase once again takes a center stage in the formation of the phosphatidic acid. The attachment of the acyl group is a center step that provides the way subsequent reactions in the synthesis of triglycerides. Here, fatty Acetyl-CoA converted into the CoA. In the presence of enzyme phosphatidic acid phosphate, a dephosphorylation process unfolds the utilizing of the water molecules. This molecular reagent results in the formation of the diacylglycerol, a crucial intermediate in the synthesis of the triglycerides. Coming to the grand finale unfolds as diglycerol acetyltransferase takes the stage. This enzyme catalyzes the esterification of the diacylglycerol with the fatty Acetyl-CoA, forming the majestic triglycerides. These triglycerides, the end product of the lipogenesis, serves a potent energy reservoirs and store the energy in adipose tissue. Coming to the conclusion, the journey of lipogenesis reveals the meticulous orchestration of biochemical reactions. This intricate dance of enzymes and substances not only illustrate the complexity of biological process, but also underscores the importance of the mechanisms of the energy homeostasis. This is the lipogenesis process and energy storage. And coming videos I am going to speak about the lipolysis, that's also called as the energy release. For more videos, search on the Dr. Ramesh Kausarlaj. For suggestions, please comment. Thank you. Be healthy. Dhanyavad.